I'm not going to talk about changing data types with the astype method, so we're going to be using this method quite a lot for the rest of the chapter. So we can change data types with astype and then pass it in a string of the data type we want to change to. So I'm going to change this to an int 8. And as we see here, let's do the original. So I meant to make this 138 in the beginning, but it's 133. So as we saw, the highest number for a 8-bit integer is 127. You saw in the last video. I can just pop it up really quick here as well. So the max is 127. This is 133. Now we don't get an error, so we have a number that goes over. It's kind of interesting. It goes 6 over, but what happens, it wraps around over here and it goes 6 more all the way to negative 123 over here. So it just continues to wrap. You might think that there should be an error, and we'll see another integer data type that pandas uses later on that does error out. So you won't be able to do this operation, and that makes sense. You would want to be careful about using a different data type that cannot contain it, right? It doesn't have enough numbers. But we could obviously change it to an int 32, has more than enough room. So that will preserve the number, or int 16, same thing. So just this is what we're going to be using, this astype method for the rest of the chapter to change our data types in a series like such.